In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the MK.78. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into your gunsmith and go to the customize tab and into your camo section, specifically the multiplayer section right here. And what we're going to start with is all of these military camos. Now there is 9 camos right here, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do for these first 9 camos is just get 80 headshots in total. Now this is kind of annoying to do on an LMG, I'm not going to lie, it is kind of annoying, but the best thing and the best game modes to do this on is going to be hardpoint and domination. So go ahead and hop on hardpoint or domination. For example, one of those two objective based game modes is perfect for this, and essentially just set up shop in, B point, for example, or just any of the hard points and just try and get headshots on people that are coming in. You could also sit outside of the hard point or outside of the zone. It makes it a little bit easier. I'm not gonna lie, smaller maps makes this even easier just since, LMGs don't have the fastest time to kill in the entire game. But consistency is the key. You're going to have to grind this out a little bit, try and get on the same maps. You'll develop a pattern. Sitting outside of those zones is going to help you out the most, though. After you get those 80 headshots done, and believe me, that's going to be what takes the longest out of all of these LMGs, you can move on to the special camos. The first one is Diamondback. You just have to get 30 objective kills. Now, this is going to be whether you're in the objective or whether you're killing someone that's in the objective. Hardpoint is absolutely phenomenal for this. Domination is absolutely phenomenal for this. Essentially, do the same thing that you're doing for this, but do it for this, and you only have to get 30 this time. Way easier, and you don't have to shoot them in the head. For Raptor, you got to get 2 kills without releasing the trigger 5 times with the MK.78. It helps that the ammo in this gun is absolutely phenomenal. So go ahead and just lay it down once again on those objective game modes. This, you only have to get 2 kills 5 times. That's 10 kills total. You can do this in less than 1 match in hardpoint domination. Moving on to mainframe, though, you got to get 5 or more attachments equipped, and you got to get 50 eliminations. This is super easy to go and do. This will take you like 2 seconds. Just put a scope, maybe an extended mag on, something for that muzzle. It really is up to you. Whatever you want to put on, go ahead and put it on, and then just get 50 kills. Shattered Gold is pretty easy to go and do with all of these LMGs. It's just 3 kills without dying 10 times. You could sit outside of any objective and knock this out pretty quickly. Just make sure that you're sitting outside of the objective rather than inside of it, because you do have to play a little bit safer to make sure that, you're not dying. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.